life, sweet life, sweet life, sweet life.
Hi guys, and welcome back to Vlogmas. Today I'm going to show you this quick and easy Coquito recipe. And I know there's so many different recipes for Coquito, but I learned this from my friend's mom, and it's quick, easy, and delicious. I will have all these ingredients and the measurements listed in the description box below. So let's get started, guys. So if you're not familiar with Coquito, it is very similar to eggnog. I used to love eggnog, and I still do until I tasted Coquito. It, in my opinion, is so much better than eggnog. It's a Puerto Rican drink that they traditionally drink around Christmas time. And so it is just delicious, and it has rum in it. So yeah, that's what we're going to make today. So into the pot, we're going to put 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. We're going to put 1 can of evaporated milk and also 1 can of cream de coco. So next we're going to put in 1 can of coconut milk, in which mine came in this little like carton box. And we're also going to put in a half a teaspoon of cinnamon and a half a teaspoon of nutmeg, and also 1 tablespoon of vanilla. So now we're just going to stir this over low heat for about 15 minutes. We're just going to stir it, and it's on really low, and it's just going to break down all of the lumps in the milk and the cinnamon and the nutmeg, so you'll have it nice and smooth and creamy like so. And then we're going to let it cool down just a little bit, and it'll start to thicken up. And once it cools down, we're going to add 2 cups of rum. So I have coconut rum and I have regular rum. So when she was teaching me, she basically said you can use whatever rum you want. She uses Bacardi sometimes, but she says she uses whatever rum that she has on hand. So that's what we're adding now. Is cooled down, and we're adding the rum in now. And it's actually, we turned the heat off. And so this is it, guys. That is it. And as it sits and like cools more, it's going to thicken up. But this is how rich and creamy it is. And we're just going to get it into our bottle. We're going to pour it back into the empty rum bottle. And then I'm going to store it in the fridge. And that's it. It was simple, easy, delicious. Let me know in the comment section below, have you ever made coquito, and do you make yours this way, or do you have a different recipe? If you have a different recipe, let me know in the comment section below. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys give this a try, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Sweet life.